In this video, we will walk you through how to assemble your Snapmaker U1 3D printer. This video is divided into 4 parts: unboxing, installation, toolhead setup, and the cable connection. Part 1: Unboxing. As shown in the video, the printer body measures 420 x 499 x 488 mm. With the filament holder installed, the breadth extends to 584 mm. And with the filament tube attached, the height increased to 730 mm. The packed product weighed approximately 26.5 kg. So make sure to place it on a sturdy surface that can handle the load. Open the box and gently lift out the printer. With the protective bag, remove all the foams and tape from the machine body. Inside the box, you will find an AC power cable, 4 filament spools. Remove the protective cover from the toolhead sweeper. Open the front door to remove the toolbox. Inside you will find a flat box containing tools and accessories.
14 clay, 4 filament tube holder, 4mm tube, 4 nozzle parking pad, nozzle cleaning brush, couple of screws, hex key, scraper, diagonal pillar, wire brush, nozzle cleaning needle, wrapping clothes, spare hot end kit.
Using the S2.0 hex key, remove the 3 screws on both the side of the heated bed and unscrew the bracket shown on the screen to detach the securing brackets. Installation. First, remove the left feeder marked with an L. Insert the ribbon cable as shown on the screen. Slide the feeder into its slots and push it towards the rear of the machine until it clicks into places. Follow the same process for R. The printer comes with filament tubes, from which 4 are 4mm and rest are 6mm. Take 2 4mm tube and connect the feeder ports 1 and 2 corresponding channels on the back of the machine. Repeat the same step to install the right feeder connecting the port 3 and 4. Let's take filament holder 1 and install it into upper slot on the left side of the machine. Install holder 2 into the lower slot and the same slide. Take filament holder 1 and install it into the upper slot on the left side of the machine following the direction shown. Install holder 2 into the lower slot on the same side, then attach holder 3 and 4 accordingly. Toolhead installation. Toolhead 1 has a label and must not be mixed with the toolhead 2 through 4. Align the dowel rod with the hole on the back and slide the tool head, then insert them carefully. The magnet will hold the tool head securely in place. During installation, make sure of the metal strip. Install the remaining 3 tool heads on the same way. Remove the label of toolhead 1. During installation of toolhead 1, make sure the rear rods sit to the right of the metallic strip. 4. Connecting the cables. Now take 4 6mm filament tube. Take 1 toolhead cable and 1 filament tube holder. Pass the cable plug through the holder and insert it into the port of the toolhead 1 on the top of the machine. Secure parts into 2 M2.5 x 16 screws. Repeat the same step to install the remaining toolhead cable and tool holder. Finally, plug the AC power cable into the machine and power outlet to complete the assembly. Then turn on the power, and thus you can start printing